Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate with LastPass Authenticator, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the LastPass Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't done this yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the LastPass Authenticator app. Next, sign into your LastPass account on your computer or another device. Navigate to your account settings. Locate the option for multi-factor authentication. Select the option to add a mobile authenticator. You will be presented with a QR code or a setup key. If you see a QR code, tap on the plus sign or add account in the LastPass Authenticator app. Point your device's camera at the QR code on your computer screen to scan it. If you have a setup key instead, choose the option to enter it manually in the app. Input the key exactly as provided, ensuring there are no extra spaces. Once you've either scanned the QR code or entered the setup key, your account will be added to the LastPass Authenticator. The app will now generate time-based one-time passwords for your account. When logging in, enter your LastPass username and password as usual. After you submit your credentials, a prompt will appear for a verification code. Open the LastPass Authenticator app to retrieve the current one-time password. Input this code into the verification field on your LastPass login screen. Make sure to enter the code quickly, as it is time-sensitive. Once the code is accepted, you will be successfully logged into your LastPass account. To ensure your setup is secure, consider enabling backup options within LastPass Authenticator. This way, you can recover your codes if you lose access to your device. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with LastPass Authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.